Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking all about volume, how to get volume, and the best tips to use to get the best out of your hair and the biggest size out of your hair. My first tip would be to have the right cut, a lot of layers, a lot of volume, and a cut that gives you a lot of volume with whatever curl type you have, whether it curls from the root, whether the curl drops, whatever. You need the right cut and you need the right layers. And short hair here, long hair here, like your stylist should know how to give you a bunch of volume, or you know, even if you want like a tiny bit of volume, whatever, your stylist should know how to give you volume for your hair type. Another tip would be to cleanse your hair. In this video, I'm going to be using the Rizo's Curls Hydrating Shampoo. A lot of people are against shampooing your hair in the curly community. I'm not sure why. It removes all the buildup that's there. It avoids itchy scalp if you're using the right shampoo. And it's honestly important to have a clean scalp, and having a clean scalp lets your hair that curls from the root pop up rather than be weighed down by any extra oils or any product buildup that's still there. Another tip for volume would be to be careful when you're using product. A lot of people think that they need so much product for their hair, but you truly do not need that much product for your hair, especially if the product is thicker and more heavy. Then you really don't need a lot. Less is more most of the time, honestly, and more water is important rather than more product to your hair. And applying less product gives you volume because your hair is not weighed down, but you still have that definition that we all love. Something else that helps with volume is not applying the product to your roots. Of course, sometimes our roots get frizzy and we need some product there, but do not massage product into your roots, and do not apply product directly on your roots because that will weigh your hair down depending on your hair type. Something else that helps with my volume is waiting to apply gel, not applying it when my hair is wet. This is just for my curl type, this is just for my hair, but most of the time when I apply gels right away, it just makes my hair shrivel up and get really small, and I don't really get the volume that I love. Another step to get a lot of volume would be definitely diffusing. You can have volume when you air dry, that's no problem, but diffusing definitely boosts up volume. It gives you a little bit more shrinkage, but it's easier to get volume and faster too. I never have a wash day without fluffing my hair. This is where I get the most volume from. I always fluff from the root so that I don't mess up my defined curls and I can still have definition. But this definitely gives me lots of volume. I kind of framed it wrong so you can't really see me fluffing, but I put my fingertips at the root and then just fluff it out and scrunch. My last
last tip is something I actually just recently discovered, which would be to apply dry shampoo to your scalp. Usually I would just apply some hairspray on my comb and pick my hair out, but this definitely added so much more volume. There's so many different dry shampoos out there. This is my first one ever using, and it was from the Living Proof. But you will definitely see the difference from using this dry shampoo to just fluffing it out with my own fingers, and I love it.
I hope this video helped you guys, whoever's struggling with volume or people that just wanted or needed one extra tip. These are the things that I do to achieve volume with my hair, and they work great for me. They're long-lasting results. So as always, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.